Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In my previous shorts video some people doesn't understand what to do. So this is another explain video. Here you can edit your activity status. Let me get the Discord token first. If you don't know how to get Discord account token, you can see the previous video. Now look carefully. Find this secrets button. Click on that. Click on new secret. Put the variable with token and then put your Discord account token there. Now run the project. वीडियो पूरा देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करना, अच्छा ना लगे तो भी लाइक करना। गाइस बहुत मेहनत किया हूँ। Here you can see it's working properly. Join Discord server to get this code. मिलते हैं ऐसे ही किसी और एक वीडियो में। बाय।